will just geography take around 100 hours. It's a long session. So geography required at two places in the mains. First is paper 1, along with sociology, social issues and history. There is around 90 marks you can expect from 90 to 110 marks you can expect from this. Second requirement is in GS paper number 3. GS paper number 3, along with the science and tech, environment and certain ecological issues are there, agriculture is there, infrastructure topics are there, energy and all, transport and all, also part of GS paper 3. So that's the requirement of geography. So where you required it? Okay, just in the mains, GS 1 as well as in GS 3. So those who are just qualifying this examination, they are good in geography. They have to be good. There is no other options. Because requirement is more than any other subjects, because around 90 to 110 marks from here, same situation with the GS3, 90 to 110 marks from here. So total more than 200 marks you can score if you are good in geography. So in the prelims case, so geography is not alone actually. Geography is not alone, so it is always come with environment. So actually one definition of geography is what called man-environment relationship. Geography is nothing but man-environment relationship. So how to study this man-environment relationship is defined by geography, new definition. So environment, if you look at from prelims perspective, what you can expect from geography environment? So around 10 to 12 questions from geography. So around 8 to 10 is mapping only. See the recent trend, 8 to 10 only mapping. Around 5 to 6 questions from concepts. 5 to 6 questions from concepts, fundamentals it will be arising. And then because of Indian Forest Services is combined with civil services, the prelims part, so the environment become important. Around 15 to 20 questions you can expect from here, separately, 15 to 20 questions. Out of 100, look, you can say this, out of 100, 15 to 20 questions in GS. So much importance it has. So now you can think of around 15 questions here, it will be there 15 to 20 questions. So around 1/3 of GS for prelims, approximately 33. That means those who are scoring 50 questions plus, they are making it. So nobody can take chance here. Nobody can.